Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 19th of November 2021 and today's our Viva topic is discussion about the class and objects. So before starting our today's discussion topic, that is the discussion about the class and object, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management Wagoli Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic Pandharpur. That's all about me. Now we will talk about our today's Viva topic, that is the discussion about the class and object. So firstly we will see about the class. So class is a one type of logical entity which contains the number of methods and the number of variables and the number of blocks, and it will contains a static block also. And now we will see about the syntax of the class. Means we will declare the access modifier before using the class name, and then in the block of that class, the particular class that contains the various types of methods and also the various types of variables is also contained in that. And we know about the class, means the class is neither contain any single byte of that memory. It will not be contained, but if we create an object of that particular class to access the variables or method present in that class, particular class, at that time the memory will be allocated for that particular class. But without creation of that object we can't access, we can't get any memory for that particular class. That's the main advantage of the class. And class is a one type of the logical entity which contains that methods, objects, like that. So if we talk about the types of the class, there are mainly two types of the class. First one is the user defined class and second one is the predefined class. So user defined class is the class. So firstly we will see the about the user defined class. So user defined class are the classes which are declared by the particular programmer or developer according to their particular use. But the predefined class which are present in the Java, that some of the classes are like system, then scanner class, then console, and then string. These are the some of the predefined class which are present in that Java. In the present in that all the predefined classes are present in the Java language. So if you talk about that particular predefined classes, it will also contain the various type of the internal method present in that particular class. But if we declare, if we talk about the user defined class, their for their particular use according to the developer, they will declare that particular class according to their use. Now we will see about our topic, that is the discussion about the object. So if we talk about the object is one type of physical, as we know in the real life we can we call an object to the physical entity. Like that way in the Java language, object is also a one type of the physical entity to call the particular method or method or particular variable from that class. We can create object of that particular class to access it. That's the main use of that object. But without creation of that object we can't access the particular method or variable from that class. That's the use of that class. So now we will see about the memory allocation for that after creation of that object. Means for after creation of that particular object of that class, then and then only the memory will be allocated for that particular class. That's the all about that memory allocation for the particular class. So now we will see about the syntax of that creation of that object of the class. Firstly, to create object of that particular class, firstly we will declare class name, then the variable, that is the variable is also called as the reference variable, then the new keyword is equal to new keyword, and then there is a particular constructor of that class. So firstly there is the class name, for which class the object is created, that is declared at the starting, that is the class name. Then the reference variable, or also called as the object, is declared by reference of that particular object. We can call the particular methods present in the class or a particular variable present in the present in that particular class. So and the new keyword is used for the dynamic memory allocation, and then the constructor and after that constructor there is curly braces are there. For that particular constructor of that particular class is used to pass an argument to give that particular class to that instance variable present in that particular class. At that time the parameters are passed from that particular constructor. That's the use of that constructor using at the end of that creation of that object. But if we talk about the constructor, if we not passing any value through that constructor, but there is a default value, means there is a default value is passed to that particular class, if we not passing any parameter from that particular constructor. That's the use of that particular constructor, which is declared at the end of that syntax of that creation of that object. That's all about today's video topic of classes and objects. Thank you.